Did you know that you're able to participate in a presidential election before you turn 18 years old? Well, this week's A+ winners sure did, and they didn't hesitate to lend out a helping hand. The Board of Elections is responsible for holding local elections, but they can't do it alone. Different groups of student volunteers joined the fray to do their part in the 2024 election. Students from Belmont High School, the Bedford Bearcats Football Team, and the Solon Model United Nations all got to get their hands dirty. They got to do some pretty important work, like organizing all of the ballots. While these students were on their feet, moving boxes and bins and assisting voters, they also got the chance to learn quite a bit about the electoral process. There were even some returning volunteers like Andrea Sanchez Camacho from the Solon Model UN, who one day hopes to become a lawyer. Tyler Davis from Bedford High School said that his job was to help out where he could because there aren't as many people volunteering these days, so he was more than happy to step up. They learned just how important it is to be a part of democracy because they say it'll make a better statement for what type of country and what type of world we want to have. They even saw firsthand how much effort is put into counting, verifying, and keeping record of each and every vote. This experience led the students to grow closer as friends and as teams, all working toward the same goal. They were also able to get the opportunity to fundraise for their own school's program. Caroline Spitznagel from Belmont High School told us that even though her role is small, she knows it helps out on a larger scale. This week's A+ award goes to all of the student volunteers for their hard work and help they provided in this year's election. And special thanks to our intern Aiden for writing this A+ and creating the graphics for them all season long.